Ever found yourself in a foreign country baffled by the complexities of managing currency? It's a common conundrum for many travelers. Today we're embarking on a journey to decode these currency complexities, making your next trip smoother and more financially savvy. First on the agenda is understanding exchange rates. These pesky little figures are constantly fluctuating, and it can be a real challenge to keep up. Exchange rates are determined by the global currency market, where billions of dollars are traded every day. The rate you get will depend on supply and demand, economic stability, and interest rates, among other things. The key to maximizing value is timing. Monitor the market, identify trends, and exchange your money when rates are in your favor. Remember, patience can lead to profit. Moving on to ATM tactics. Withdrawing cash abroad can often seem like the easiest option, but it can come with excessive fees. Foreign ATMs can charge you a non-network fee, a conversion fee, and sometimes even a dynamic currency conversion fee. To avoid these, consider using a bank that has international branches or partnerships, as they often waive these fees. Another smart move is to withdraw larger amounts less frequently, as this can reduce the number of times you're hit with those pesky fees. Next up is the age-old question, cash or card? It's a tough one. While cash is generally accepted everywhere, it's also susceptible to loss or theft. On the other hand, cards offer more security, but not all places accept them, and they can come with their own set of fees. The verdict? A balanced approach. Carry a reasonable amount of cash for small purchases and emergencies, and use your card for larger transactions. To summarize, navigating currency abroad involves understanding exchange rates, being smart with ATM withdrawals, and using a mix of cash and card. It's not always easy, but with a little knowledge and planning, you can make your money go further. Stay tuned for more content on making the most of your travels. From budgeting tricks to destination guides, we're here to help you travel smarter. And remember, the world is waiting for you to explore. So why not do it with a little more money in your pocket?